Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use MAXQDA for qualitative data analysis. MAXQDA is a powerful software designed to simplify your research journey. It allows you to manage a wide range of data, including text, images, audio, and video files. Learning to navigate its intuitive interface will significantly streamline your analytical process, making complex data sets much more manageable. You will discover how this tool transforms raw information into meaningful insights, enhancing the depth of your research findings. Once you open MAXQDA, your first step is to import your research materials. Simply drag and drop files like interview transcripts, focus group discussions, or field notes directly into the document system window. Next, create document groups to neatly categorize your data, perhaps by participant demographics or data collection phases. This structured approach, available from the very beginning, ensures your project remains organized and easy to navigate throughout your entire analysis. Coding is the core of qualitative analysis, and MAXQDA makes it straightforward. Select a passage in your document, right-click, and assign a new or existing code from your code system. You can drag and drop segments onto codes, too. Remember to use memos frequently. These small notes help you capture your thoughts and interpretations directly linked to specific codes or documents. Developing a robust coding structure will reveal patterns and connections across your data. After coding, MAXQDA offers powerful visualization tools to help you see the bigger picture. Use MAX maps to create conceptual models of your themes or the code relations browser to identify connections between codes. Finally, generate detailed reports summarizing your findings, including code statistics and linked memos. You can then export these reports, charts, and data tables in formats like PDF or Word for easy sharing and dissemination of your valuable research insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.